Prince found this hydroponic section here at Carrefour.
Ate did, and she showed you.
Yeah?
I'll read this. At Carrefour, we are committed to fresh, sustainable living to ensure the freshest product, while at the same time reducing our carbon footprint and water usage. We have built hydroponic farms inside our stores. Hydroponic farming uses less water and no pesticides, making it better for you and better for the environment. Here on our farm, we grow a variety of herbs and salad leaves, which are managed by a team of experts and picked daily for our customers. We hope you will join us and enjoy fresh, sustainable living every day.
Isn't it amazing?
Yes.
Let's see what plants they have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 thumbs up.
It's a whole section, and you can actually buy freshly picked today at this amount of dirham. I'm gonna get some for my salad. Was the salad mix that I got from Carrefour farm. It's a farm. It's actually a hydroponics farm, and this one is a healthy mix. Includes kale, red bean, sorrel, that bull's blood, and then it says here 90% less water, no GMOs, zero chemical, no soil, and eco-friendly. Actually, when I bought this one, it was harvested on the date that it was placed in the counter. So now I'm going to make a salad out of colors, and they still look so fresh. This one is good for 2 servings, so I'm gonna make a big batch, half for dinner tonight and half for my lunch tomorrow. Adding to this cucumbers. I'm adding half avocado. Our avocado is still a little bit off, but it's fine. Stopper part. It's not fully ripened. I am also adding some romaine lettuce. I don't like very complicated salad, so I'll be drizzling this with olive oil, lemon, and salt and pepper, and that's it. Tomorrow's packed lunch, and this is for tonight's dinner. Cover this and keep it in the fridge. I'll drizzle with lemon. I'll remove the seeds when I'm eating. Some olive oil. Pinch of salt. Pepper. I have to put down the phone because I cannot do this. Mix, mix, mix. And I'm ready. Mix, mix, mix. And it's ready. Let's try. Perfect. Let's eat, guys.